Hey everyone, in this video I'm about to review the Citizen app. Citizen is a mobile app that alerts you about crimes, emergencies, and safety incidents happening nearby in real time. It uses your location to send you notifications about things like fires, police activity, missing persons, and accidents. Many people like it because it helps them stay informed and feel safer in their neighborhoods. The app also lets users share live videos or updates from the scene, which adds more context. To log in with email, enter your email address, your name, and your password. However, some users say it can be overwhelming or cause anxiety with constant crime alerts. It has a feature called Protect that lets your friends or family track your location for safety. The app also has Leaf Police Scanner audio in some areas. It's free to use, but some features require subscription. Overall, it's a useful tool for staying aware of what's happening around you. But you should use it with balance and not panic over every alert. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.